Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Photon. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and search for Photon Solana. After that, go to the official Photon website. Once there, you will be redirected to the main web page. Look for the connect button and click on it. A new pop-up will appear on your screen. Next, enter your Phantom Wallet password to log in. After logging in, you will be prompted to continue with the connection process. Click on the connect button and confirm the action. Once you have confirmed, you will need to generate a new private key. Click on the generate button to create it. After that, slide the slider and your private key will be displayed. Make sure to copy this private key and save it somewhere safe. Once you have done that, click on the continue button and select I have already saved it. Now, click on the continue button again to access your Photon dashboard. So that's basically how you can connect Phantom Wallet to Photon. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.